Hello, in this video we will solve an interesting algebra problem. How do we obtain the value of a, b and c? Given this, a plus b equals to abc, b plus c is equals to abc, c plus a is equals to abc. Without further delay, let's begin. Solution. Let's call this guy equation 1, let's call this equation 2, and let's call this equation 3. From equation 1 and 2, we have a plus b equals to abc and b plus c is equals to abc. This is simply equation 1 and this is equation 2. So what we are going to do now is just subtraction. So equation 1 minus equation 2, we're going to have a plus b minus this left hand side, b plus c equals to this guy minus this, abc minus abc. So what do we have now? So a plus b minus times b, that is minus b, minus times c, we have minus c, equals to abc minus abc, that is simply 0. Of course, we have some terms that alternate. B minus c cancel each other, so we are left with a minus c equals to 0. So a is equals to c. Let's take note of this guy. Now, from equation 2 and equation 3, what do we have? This is equation 2 and this is 3. So we have b plus c is equals to abc and c plus a is equals to abc. This is equation 2, this is equation 3. So let's do the similar thing for this guy also. So equation 2 minus equation 3, what do we have? We have b plus c minus this left hand side, c plus a is equals to abc minus abc, abc minus abc. Let's open this bracket. So b plus c minus times c minus c minus times a negative a equals to abc cancels abc, so we have 0. Of course, c minus c, that is 0, so we are left with b minus a is equals to 0, which implies that b is equals to a. So this is the same thing as a is equals to b. Let's take note of this guy also. From what we first obtained, this guy, a is equals to c. A is equals to c, and we also have a to be equals to b. We can combine this. This implies that a is equals to b is equals to c, because a is equals to b, a is also equals to c. That means these three are equal. Let's take note of this guy also. Now, from equation 1, what do we have in equation 1? This is equation 1. A plus b is equals to abc. We can rewrite all this in terms of a. So let's go. We will fix a plus, what is b? B is equals to a. So we have a here equals to a times, what is b? B is simply a times a times, what is c? C is equals to a, so our c is a, so we have a. A plus a is simply 2a equals to a times a times a, that is a cube. We can rewrite this equation. So we have a cube minus 2a equals to 0. You observe that a is the common terms here, so we can pull it out. So we're going to have a into a square minus 2 equals to 0, which implies that a is equals to 0, or this guy, a square minus 2 is equals to 0. This is one solution. A is equals to 0. Now let's consider this. A square, when this guy comes to the right side, it becomes positive, so we have 2. So taking the square root of both sides, a is equals to plus or minus square root of 2. So a is equals to square root of 2, or a is equals to negative root 2. Therefore, a is equals to 0 or square root of 2 or negative root 2. So these are the values for a. Using these values of a, we can obtain b and c respectively. Since a is equals to b equals to c, that is from this guy that we have here, a is equals to b equals to c. So let's proceed further. Since a is equals to b, a is equals to c, so whatever we have for a will be the same thing for b and c. So b is equals to 0 or square root of 2 or negative square root of 2. Likewise, c is equals to 0 or square root of 2 or negative square root of 2. Since a is equals to b is equals to c. Now, let us check if what we have done is actually right. So, check. When a is equals to b is equals to c, that is, when a is 0, b is 0, and c is equals to 0. What do we have? Let's use equation 1. From equation 1, if you could recall, equation 1 is simply a plus b is equals to abc. And when a is 0, b is 0, so the left hand side becomes 0 plus 0 is equals to, and the right hand side will be 0 times 0 times 0. So 0 is equals to 0. The first values are right. Let's check for the second values. That is, when a is equals to square root of 2 and b is equals to square root of 2 and c is equals to square root of 2. So when a is equals to b is equals to c equals to square root of 2, what do we have? Using this same equation 1, we're going to have square root of 2 plus square root of 2 is equals to, this right hand side will now become square root of 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 2. Square root of 2 plus square root of 2, that is 2 root 2 is equals to square root of 2 times square root of 2, that is square root of 4. And square root of 4 is simply 2 times this guy, square root of 2. So the second value is also right. Let's check for the third values. When a is equals to negative root 2 and b is equals to this and this. So a is equals to b is equals to c equals to negative root 2. Using this same equation 1, a plus b equals to abc. A plus b is equals to abc. What is a? Negative root 2 plus b also negative root 2 equals to negative root 2 times negative root 2 times negative root 2 minus root 2 minus root 2, that is minus 2 root 2, because plus times negative, that is minus. So this equals to negative root 2 times negative root 2, that is positive square root of 4, and square root of 4 is 2 times this negative root 2. So of course, minus 2 root 2 is equals to minus 2 root 2. So indeed, the third value is also true. So a value of a, b, c are simply these guys. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.